Fertilization. Double fertilization. After pollination, the pollen tube enters the ovule and releases two sperm cells. One sperm fuses with the egg cell to form a diploid zygote and the other sperm fuses with the two polar nuclei in the central cell to form a triploid endosperm. This dual fertilization ensures that the developing embryo has a reliable food source. Here's a breakdown of the process. Pollen tube formation. After pollination, a pollen grain on the stigma grows a pollen tube that carries the male gamete's sperm cells to the ovule. Entry into ovule. The pollen tube enters the ovule, a structure containing the female gametophyte. Sperm release. The pollen tube bursts, releasing two sperm cells into the embryo sac. First fertilization. Syngamy. One sperm cell fuses with the egg cell, forming a diploid zygote 2N. Second fertilization. Triple fusion. The second sperm cell fuses with the two polar nuclei, each haploid, in the central cell, resulting in a triploid primary endosperm nucleus 3N. Result: the zygote will develop into the embryo, and the primary endosperm nucleus will divide to form the endosperm, which serves as the nutrient supply for the growing embryo. Double fertilization. Double fertilization. The process of fusion of male gamete with the female gamete to form the diploid zygote is called as fertilization. The fusion of one male gamete with egg and another male gamete with secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization. Thus fertilization occurs two times and both the male gametes participate, so called as double fertilization. Process of double fertilization. 1. After pollination, pollen grain forms pollen tube, which grows towards the ovule. 2. Pollen tube carries two male gametes, thin cytoplasm and tube nucleus at tip. 3. Non-motile male gametes transfers through tube called as siphonogamy. 4. Pollen tube enters in ovule through different ways. A. Porogamy, entry of pollen tube inside the ovule through micropyle. B. Chilazogamy, entry of pollen tube inside the ovule through chilaza. C. Mesogamy, entry of pollen tube inside the ovule through integuments, i.e. body of ovule. 5. Pollen tube always enters the embryo sac near the egg apparatus. 6. Filiform apparatus of synergids attract the pollen tube towards the egg apparatus. 7. The tip of pollen tube absorb water from one of the synergids and burst open to release two male gametes. 8. The tube nucleus degenerates completely. 9. In syngama first fertilization, one of the male gametes get fuses with the egg to form diploid zygote or oospore. 10. In triple fusion or second fertilization, the other male gamete fuses with the diploid secondary nucleus to form triploid primary endosperm nucleus pen. Entry of pollen tube into the ovule. Significance of double fertilization. I. It is a unique feature of angiosperms. It ensures that the parent plant invests our seed with a food store, only if the egg is fertilized. E. The diploid zygote which develop into embryo and then into new plant. E. Syngamy maintain diploidy in the life cycle. IV. It restores the diploid condition by fusion of haploid male gamete with haploid female gamete. V. Triple fusion produces triploid pen which develops into endosperm. V. Endosperm provide nutrition for developing embryo. V. Because of double fertilization, endosperm and embryo get produced together, which increases viability of seeds. V. It also helps to avoid polyembryony. It uses both the male gametes.